Hello, I'm Dr. David Banks from Chattanooga, Tennessee. I've had the wonderful privilege of knowing and spending time with Chuck and Becky Patterson for a number of years. I truly feel like they are part of my family. But I want to take this time to encourage all men to be a part of this great weekend that we're having October 9th through the 11th. Men, we're going to really take some time to really spend some time together. We're going to have some great food, great fellowship, and we're going to have some great insight. Men, as you know, there are various things in our lives that we feel like we've conquered, but also there are some challenges that we also face and struggle with. And I want to use this time, this weekend, October 9th through the 11th, to really get some things off our chest, to really share together, but also allow you to leave that weekend with some tools, some practical tools, so that you can understand that you can deal with anything that you're facing in your life. That's why we're discussing how to become a noble man. What is a noble man? A noble man is a man that has principles, that he lives in his life so he can face anything that he will ever encounter in his life. So men, I want you to be a part of this weekend. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to see Chuck today and sign up today. Don't procrastinate. Don't keep putting it off. Go ahead and make a commitment and say, I want to be there. Because men, I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. Like I said, it's going to be a time where we can spend some time together, share some things, but I tell you to walk away with some principles that's going to be life-changing. You're going to walk away feeling equipped. So when various things come against you, you're going to have some things that you, in your possession, that you can apply these principles and deal with anything you're facing. So again, I would love to see you there. I truly believe it's going to be life-changing. So thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you. Thank you.